friends, welcome to the Tech Listen channel. So friends, today I will talk about Thermaltake Floe Ultra RGB series AIO CPU coolers. So friend, Thermaltake announces a brand new AIO liquid cooler Floe Ultra 240 or 360 RGB, allowing users to customize their PC in a much more aging via its 2.1 LCD display on the water block. And friend, users can choose to display weather, time or system information such as real-time CPU temperature, or even place any images or animated files to showcase your PC the way you appreciate. And when it comes to cooling performance, it is where Floe Ultra 240 or 360 RGB excels. It is packed with high performance RGB fans and fan speed hitting up to 2000 RPM, and friend, it's geared towards gamers and working professional to provide you with the utmost cooling performance. And friend, on top of that, coupled with high performance water block featuring a copper base plate and high efficiency radiator delivery designed for Ultra series, and Floe Ultra 240 or 360 is set to optimal cooling performance as well as heat dissipation. And friend, for its compatibility, it has comprehensive support for a variety of sockets from Intel and AMD. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.